Core system libraries failing because of the Kernel32 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we get started with Kernel32 module, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Kernel32 module, a non-standard naming convention often used by localized wrappers or specialized game repacks to bridge 32-bit calls to 64-bit system routines. Because it shares a name with core OS structures, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, legacy software ports will fail to initialize their memory heap, resulting in a 0xc000007b error. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. If your software is failing because of Kernel32 module DLL, the internal file mapping for Localized Kernel32 API shim is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Kernel32 module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Installing an unverified version of Kernel32 module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Kernel32 module and registry optimization. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Kernel32 module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.